Hello everyone, welcome to Engineered Nutrition. I am Nino Paletta, the CEO and founder. So what makes Engineered Nutrition different is the methodology that we take. We take the engineering mindset. So the name Engineered Nutrition comes from my background in engineering. From looking into the research and being on the manufacturing floor, I realized that there's areas that can be improved upon, and I wanted to make sure that I can close those gaps to assure that the best possible product can be delivered to the industry. And that's why we call it Engineered Nutrition, because every aspect of the brand is engineered to bring the highest quality level product. And that is our goal, to make sure that everything that we produce is engineered for you. Today we are at our partner manufacturing facility, Formulife, located in Allen, Texas. And we chose Formulife for 3 reasons. The first reason is we wanted to make sure that all our products were formulated and produced here in the United States. The second reason is because of Formulife's capabilities. Formulife has one of the most capable facilities that we've been to, with on-site research and development labs, as well as quality labs, as well as the top equipment that's in the industry right now. The last reason that we chose Formulife was the team of experts and having their experience of producing supplements to then bring to our brand that make sure that we can develop the best possible product for you. Our first step is researching. So what we do is we look for supporting health and science documentation to make sure that we are developing a product that works. After reviewing the documents, we reach out to our formulas to make sure that we're having the right ingredients dosed at the right quantities to make sure that you are performing at your peak performance level for that product line.
Hello, my name is Judith Haile. I'm a food scientist driving the innovation here at Formulife. We have new products like this one, the hydration, which delivers the right amounts of each of the electrolytes that you may need. So here at Formulife, when we get a request for a new formulation, it goes through a long tedious process when we are designing the formula and evaluating the inputs amounts of each of the minerals or vitamins or any of the macros that will be included, and we take a holistic approach into that. Also, we take our contents into clinicals, and that's what actually is going to make a difference between a regular product and a star market product, where you have key ingredients that are delivering right to the customer.
After that's done, we reach out to the customer. So after developing multiple iterations, we'll do flavor and taste testing to make sure that we can dial in the product to where there's no compromise regarding the ingredients as well as the taste or texture of it. Once that's done, we get to planning and we start to work with operations to make sure that we can produce the product at the quantities and the design packaging that meets the requirements and needs for you.
So one of the things that sets us apart here is the amount of research, development, and care that we take into every product that we work on. It really takes a team. It's a team effort to source the best ingredients that we can find, to put them together in a scientifically researched way, and then deliver it to a customer in a way that they will enjoy using. And any one of those steps along the way, there's a myriad of shortcuts that can be taken that we simply refuse to take.
So one of the beautiful things that we have here at Formulife is our gold case standard that we set. So at the beginning of production, this is exactly what it should look like. This is exactly how it should be replicated every single time. And then that way we have that to go off of. It's important that we keep the customer's wants and needs in mind, and we meet and exceed their expectation every time.
So last part's execution. We send the purchase order to Formulife. They will purchase all the ingredients, where we'll make sure once they're received, they meet the quality standards that are required.
My name is Diana Gonzalez. I'm the quality director at Formulife, and I've been working for the food industry for about 20 years. To maintain quality across the process for hydration, what we do is that whenever we source our raw materials, they need to go through a qualified process. We test for micros, we test for authenticity of the product. So all of that before we even buy from the source. All this progress in place allows us to do traceability and be transparent in every process that we do.
And then the last step is packaging, where it'll be sent to our fulfillment site and it'll be ready for purchase for consumers. So that brings us to our first product line, hydration. So from doing our research, we found that there was a potential to improve the way that people hydrate today. From our research, it was shown that millions of people are dehydrated. So the first thing that we did was we looked at research studies. So we found the golden ratio, which is a perfect amount of ions that are needed to replenish what is in your sweat. And what we did was we worked off of those numbers to produce a hydration drink mix that perfectly replaces the energy you exert throughout the day. So we made sure that our dosages perfectly complements any activity, whether it be working out at the office or out and exploring. We've engineered the guesswork out of hydration.